Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's just awesome that you're tuning in. So in today's video we are going to talk about the game cassette computer Zero. Yes, for the people who are familiar here to the channel, we're going to talk about a new NES clone. I picked this thing up from Magix Buttons. I just borrowed it because I want to make a video for you guys to see what are we going to get with this weird obscure Famicom clone. I really love these weird stuff. So what are we going to get? This is a Famicom clone, and it seems to be this thing has an option for AV out. So back in the day they released so many of these Chinese and Japanese and other variants, and it's just one big freaking nightmare. The question remains, what are we going to get? And that is what we're going to look out for, because I am very curious now, yes. So inside the box we are finding not really much, just the basic stuff we're going to get within system. Okay, so what are we going to get in this kit? Normally when you're having this, it comes with a light gun, 2 controllers, and of course the system itself and the power supply and AV out cable. But as you can see, there is no light gun. Not a big of a bummer, because I'm not going to test it out. I don't have a CRT laying around. When you're having these systems, we're having a 100 volt power supply, so it depends where you live. We have a different voltage here, so I can't even use it. So I'm going to use my own universal version. The 2 controllers are more similar controllers like I've seen before with other versions. Some even have shoulder buttons here, seriously. The D-pad is quite weird, it's different. As you can see, it's more like the super wiggle D-pad. I don't know if I'm going to like this. Oh man, these things smell. Select start are just the rubbery buttons like normal. We're having A, B, and I'm guessing the 2 are just normal buttons and the other 2 are the turbo buttons. Okay, let's take a close look at the game cassette Zero. I have never seen a weird system like this. It looks really weird. There's no information on the system itself. Here at the bottom, they didn't even put an effort to grabbing a sticker. Input for the power supply, AV out. We're having the connector, and as you already can see, there is not much going on inside like a lot of these clones. This thing is just plastic, chemical plastic. Select start, there's nothing much to it. Okay, well, we're having more. We're having here the instructions, or it looks like instructions. As you can see, there are some games are displayed, so I'm guessing this thing comes with built-in games. Alright, so let's grab myself a power supply. We're going to use this chemical controller, and we're going to play some games. But a lot of these clones were having quite some interference. I think you can hear it on the microphone. But it comes with built-in games. So we're having the 9-1. I have no idea. We're having Mars, Box World, Resistant. Do you know what? Let's try some games. Let's try the first one. What the hell is this? Oh, that is Load Runner. With freaking plants. And the ninja. Okay, let's see. The D-pad is... Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Okay, but we're going to try that again. That's a really long intro sound. Yeah, I know. Let's go. The sound effects are pretty funny. Alright, let's go. The image quality is not bad at all. They got me trapped, or you're thinking they got me trapped. Gotcha! Oh, they did survive. No, I got one. Come. Very good. Go away. Oh yeah. A really funny game. Okay, Okay, let's try another game. Morse. They ripped a lot of games off already. Oh yeah, turbo button. Seriously? Oh, I did play the game before. This is more like the puzzle game. You need to move the boxes to clear the stage. Resistance. Okay. Oh, I can activate the laser beams. And they got me. Alright, seems to be working just fine. A very nice crisp image. Turbo button, yeah. It's so convenient with games like this. Even there are some funny homebrew crap. Let's say, but let's put it there, there are some fun games on the system itself. So shall we try another game? I'm very curious if it works. It's time for some Wicked Spankman! I really like this game, by the way, it's really fun. I played a lot of the handhelds. Let's see. Ah, we got a good turbo button, it's always very convenient playing this game. Ah! Pressed it too late. Alright, so this is what you're going to get with the Game Cassette Computer Zero. Oh man, I really love these clone systems, and especially when they're coming with all those built-in games. There are only 9 of them built inside in this chemical piece of plastic. But some of the rip-offs, like the Load Runner, I really enjoyed it. So it's a really fun thing, and I don't know if the people are just buying them for playing games. I think if you're searching for a cheap way, it's a decent solution. It's a shame of the audio interference, but beside that point, the image itself was very crisp and clear. The controller, this mini controller, plays very well, even for people having big hands. The wiggle D-pad, it's a weird experience to be honest. And yeah, of course, it feels quite cheap. It's very sturdy. So the controls, some of these controls break very easily, but nevertheless, they are just working fine. So yeah, let me know what you think of this. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and I will see you in the next video.